Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the 14th Annual B. Riley & Company Investor Conference here in Santa Monica, California. I'm here with Robert Phillippy of Newport Corp, publicly traded company, and the symbol is NEWP. Robert, Bob, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley. It's great to be here.
It's good to have you. Okay, for those, you haven't been on for almost a year. So let's start with an overview, and we'll come back and drill down.
Okay. Well, Newport is a company that is a world leader in the management and utilization of light energy for practical purposes. Our product portfolio consists of lasers, optical system technologies, and detection technologies. And we deploy those in a variety of different vertical markets. And we've got some pretty exciting growth prospects.
And such as?
Well, we're deeply engaged in the life and health sciences industry, and we participate in both clinical and laboratory applications. The clinical side of that business, we make lasers for surgical procedures, and we think that in the future, more and more surgical procedures will be adopting laser technology because it gives more precision and better patient outcomes. And we think that's an exciting thing that we're a part of enabling.
Just sticking on that for a minute. Do you yourselves put the product through the IND, or are you private labeling it for med tech companies, for instance?
Great questions. No, we are an OEM supplier in every case. We're specialists in the laser technology and the optical systems technology itself. And so we provide on an OEM basis that solution, and then our customer provides the end system that gets sold into a clinical application.
So you get the PhD who says, I want to do this and I need that. And he ends up working with you together to come up with a product that he finds a way to get into the marketplace.
Exactly. Well, not just the PhD, but also the engineer who's developing a system that can be used in some sort of clinic or emergency room or surgical suite. And we provide the fundamental laser technology that goes in that system. So in fact, that's one of the takeaways with Newport, is we're not a household name by any means, because our products don't typically show up in the consumer market, and they don't even get into the ultimate system. But we're behind the scenes, and frankly, we're enabling some of the most important applications in some of the world's foremost industries.
Another vertical would be?
The microelectronics field. Here, of course, the big craze is mobile devices, mobile device manufacturing. And we don't make the mobile devices, but we enhance the manufacture of those. So everybody's trying to have them be lighter and yet more robust and more powerful. And Newport is behind the scenes in many applications related to that manufacture. For example, Newport appears, and I say this without exaggeration, for every semiconductor chip made in the world today, if it was manufactured on equipment that was made in the last decade, it's touched by Newport technology in some way.
From your perspective, where does laser go? 2015, 2016, because a lot of investors, when they ask questions, want to know, well, what's happening in the company? Are there new developments? Are there new verticals? How do you answer that?
So, first of all, as it relates to laser technology in general, of course, we're in the laser business, and we're excited about the industry and the growth prospects, because every day lasers are finding their way into more applications that can be done more precisely with higher throughput than mechanical methods can. As it relates to the prospects for Newport, I won't go into all of them, but as I mentioned earlier, we've got half a dozen growth initiatives that we think are going to enable us to deliver outsized growth in the 14 and 15 time frame specifically, because a lot of them are gestating at this point.
What's your background?
I have an undergraduate degree in electrical engineering and then an MBA, and I've been in and around this industry and some related industries for quite a while. In fact, I've been with Newport for 17 years.
So what brings you to B. Riley?
B. Riley is a good conference for us. It gives us the opportunity to interact with some potentially new investors, as well as some people that we know well and that know our story and follow our stock.
And the website is?
The website is easy. It's newport.com, NEWPORT.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Robert Phillippy, Newport Corp, symbol, public company, NEWP. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the 14th Annual B. Riley & Company Investor Conference in Santa Monica, California. Robert, thank you for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
Good to have you.